Today's review is on the completely redesigned and more powerful Sonos Amp. Your first question is probably, how is this new Sonos Amp different than the current Connect Amp? Well, don't worry. In this video, we go over the new amp's improved design, power, and brand new features that make the amp well worth the wait. Over 10 years ago, a new company by the name of Sonos won the Best of Audio Award at CES with their Connect Amp prototype. Fast forward to today, and Sonos has a raving fan base still swearing by that award-winning 10-year-old Connect Amp. Now, after interviewing current customers and dealers who install them every day, Sonos developed a brand new and much improved amp, and we were fortunate enough to get our hands on an exclusive prototype currently set to release in 2019. Since our amp is a pre-release demo, it came packaged in a discreet box with covert branding. After taking the Sonos Amp out of the box, we immediately noticed the slimmer design and size compared to the current Connect Amp. The new size allows the amp to perfectly fit side by side in a rack and is much easier to stack. A concern when stacking amps is heat output, which is why Sonos greatly improved the ventilation design of the new amp, allowing heat to seamlessly pass through each unit when stacked. Another key design feature that we noticed is the use of banana plugs, which differ largely from the spring-loaded speaker connections of the Connect Amp, making it much more user-friendly when connecting speakers to the new amp. Now, in terms of power, the new Sonos Amp produces 125 watts per channel. 2 speakers is certainly the ideal setup for the amp, but with its increased wattage, the amp can power up to 4 passive speakers. This is a big step up from the current Connect Amp at only 55 watts per channel. We can confirm the rumors of increased connectivity options are true. The Sonos Amp features an analog RCA input to connect a turntable with a phono stage, CD player, or any audio device with an RCA output, an HDMI ARC to connect TV audio, which actually opens up the ability to run a 4.1 home theater setup. There's also a mono sub out for an external subwoofer and 2 banana plug ports for a set of passive speakers. Now, included with the amp is a set of binding post terminal banana plug adapters. In addition to the wired inputs, the new Sonos Amp features Wi-Fi streaming of all of the major music streaming services. Setup and amp control is done through the Sonos app. It was a breeze to actually set up the amp, and we were ready to play sound within a few minutes. With the new Sonos Amp, you can certainly get creative with your setup. You can run a 2-channel stereo setup, or you can actually create an almost completely wireless 4.1 home theater setup. You can use 2 passive front channel speakers, 2 Sonos Play 1s as the rears, and a Sonos sub. The amp can also power up to 4 of your in-ceiling or outdoor speakers. One feature of the Sonos Amp that has us really excited is the improved API. Sonos has announced the Sonos Sound platform. This includes new APIs, developer tools, and documentation to make it easier for Sonos products to operate with third-party hardware and software. Now, the most popular announced integration to us is the fact that it will connect into If This Then That, which opens up the Sonos Amp to a vast amount of home customization options. When tested, the new Sonos Amp greatly outperformed the current Connect Amp. The new amp easily powered our large B&W floor speakers. Now, even when we cranked the volume, we still got a nice and clean sound from the new Sonos Amp. The Connect Amp, on the other hand, could not push the same set of speakers like the new Sonos Amp could. Even when we tested 2 smaller bookshelf speakers, the Connect Amp couldn't match the overall sound quality and fullness of the new Sonos Amp. We then tested a 4.1 home theater setup. We used 2 front passive speakers, 2 Sonos Play 1s as the rear channel, and a Sonos sub. The amp sounded phenomenal. It put out enough sound to be immersive, and the simulated center channel produced clear dialogue. We feel the Sonos Amp is a great addition to the Sonos product line. Sonos asked for and listened to feedback in order to develop what we believe is an impressive step up from the current Connect Amp. While it's certainly designed with custom installers in mind, it's still a great option for consumers looking for a versatile power amp capable of running a simple 2-channel setup all the way to a fully integrated Sonos home system. The new Sonos Amp is available right now on our website. If you've got questions about the new amp, feel free to give us a call or chat with us online. If you found this video to be insightful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we are always reviewing and showcasing the latest and greatest in high-end audio. We'll see you next time.